Welcome to our Computer Science MCQ series. Whether you're studying for exams or just love tech, this series will challenge and expand your knowledge. Let's dive in and test your skills. Which of the following languages is primarily used for web development? A. C. B. Java. C. HTML. D. Python. Answer: C. HTML. Which command is used to delete a file in DOS? A. Erase. B. Remove. C. Delete. D. Format. Answer: A. Erase. Which device is used to produce a hard copy of documents? A. Scanner. B. Monitor. C. Printer. D. Projector. Answer: C. Printer. In binary code, what is the result of 1 1? A. 1. B. 0. C. 10. D. 11. Answer: C. 10. Which file extension is used for MS Excel files? A. .docs. B. .xlsx. C. .pptx. D. .txt. Answer: B. .xlsx. What does URL stand for? A. Universal Resource Locator. B. Uniform Resource Locator. C. Unified Resource Locator. D. Uniform Reference Locator. Answer: B. Uniform Resource Locator. Which part of the computer is responsible for executing instructions? A. Memory. B. ALU. C. CPU. D. ROM. Answer: C. CPU. Which programming language is primarily used for artificial intelligence? A. C. B. Python. C. HTML. D. SQL. Answer: B. Python. What type of virus attaches itself to the boot sector of a storage device? A. Boot sector virus. B. Macro virus. C. File virus. D. Polymorphic virus. Answer: A. Boot sector virus. Which of the following is the correct function of a compiler? A. Convert high-level language into machine code. B. Execute programs. C. Perform arithmetic operations. D. Store data. Answer: A. Convert high-level language into machine code. Which of the following is the primary function of an operating system? A. Perform arithmetic operations. B. Manage hardware and software resources. C. Provide security for files. D. Perform logical operations. Answer: B. Manage hardware and software resources. Which key is used to open the Task Manager in Windows? A. Ctrl-Alt-Delete. B. Ctrl-Shift-Escape. C. Ctrl-F. D. F12. Answer: B. Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Which component of a computer is used for permanent data storage? A. RAM. B. Hard drive. C. CPU. D. Cache. Answer: B. Hard drive. Which of the following is used to connect computers in a network? A. Router. B. Modem. C. Switch. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Which of the following is an example of a database management system? DBMS. A. Microsoft Word. B. Linux. C. Oracle. D. Google Chrome. Answer: C. Oracle. That wraps up today's Computer Science MCQ session. Great job to everyone who participated. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQs. See you next time.